Welcome to this video, where we explore how to customize Google Maps by selecting the right engine type for your vehicle. Whether you drive a gas, diesel, hybrid, or electric car, setting this option can help optimize routes, fuel efficiency. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Your Vehicles. Finally, tap on it, and you will see the choices for engine type, such as gas, diesel, hybrid, and electric. Choose the one that matches your vehicle, and your Google Maps experience will now be customized to your engine type. Adjusting the engine type in Google Maps helps improve navigation accuracy and ensures the app provides better suggestions for your driving needs. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.